Hi, my name is Stefano Caposeco. I'm the Director of Product Marketing at Westinghouse Lighting. Today we're going to talk about LED recessed lighting solutions. Depending on your installation, you may already have a recessed can in your ceiling, and we have solutions for that, which could be as simple as an LED light bulb or swapping out the trim and installing a retrofit kit, and they come in either round or square depending on your application. All of our solutions come in different sizes, 4, 5, or 6 inch, depending on the size of the can or requirement of light output, and they come in different color temperatures ranging anywhere between 2700 degree Kelvin all the way to 5000 degree Kelvin. If you have a brand new installation where you don't have a recessed can or trim, these are more appropriate. They're self-contained units, all in one, has the wiring compartment, the LED, and the trim. Let's talk about each individual unit. This is the 6-inch square recessed downlight. Comes with a complete set of instruction sheets, a pigtail that gets screwed into the recessed can socket with a plug. The other end of the plug gets installed in the unit. Has torsion springs that snap into the recessed can. This unit also, since it's square, it's important that we line it up with the wall. Has a swivel on the top so you can actually make final adjustments after it's up. First, we want to remove the bulb and then remove the trim. And remove the socket from the trim. Now that we removed the old components, we want to install the pigtail, which is supplied with the trim. We install both portions of the plug together, squeeze the springs into the recessed can, tuck the wires in. And since this is a square trim, it comes with an adjustment swivel to make sure it lines up perfectly. Turn the power on. There you have it.